everyone! Welcome back to our English Learning Channel. Today, our stick figure friends will take you to school. We'll learn the most common English words you hear and use every day. Things in the classroom, people you meet, subjects you study, and actions you do. We'll practice them together with short dialogues and fun quizzes. So get ready, sit down at your desk, and let's begin. This is a classroom. Let's learn the names of things we can see inside. Desk. Desk is a table for one student. I sit at my desk. Chair. This is my chair. Chair is a seat. Board. The teacher writes on the board. Board is where the teacher writes. Notebook. I write notes in my notebook. Notebook is where you write notes. Pencil. I draw with a pencil. Pencil, a tool for writing. Eraser. I erase mistakes with an eraser. Eraser, used to remove pencil marks. Ruler. I draw straight lines with a ruler. Ruler, measure or draw lines. Bag. I carry my books in my bag. Marker. The teacher uses a marker. Marker for bright writing or drawing. Computer. We use computers in class. Short dialogue. Listen.
Do you have an eraser?
Yes, here it is.
Thanks. I can fix my mistake.
No problem.
Eraser helps you correct mistakes. Let's say it together. Eraser. Another short dialogue. Listen.
Please take out your notebook.
Okay.
Now, write the date at the top.
Done.
Notebook, pencil, and desk. These are important classroom words. Short quiz. Let's check. What is it? It's a pencil. Good. It's a bag. Good. It's an eraser. Excellent. It's a ruler. Awesome. You did very well. Say the words with me. Desk, chair, notebook, pencil, eraser. Now let's meet people you see at school every day. Teacher. The teacher helps students learn. Student. I am a student. Principal. The principal manages the school. Janitor. The janitor cleans the hallways. Librarian. The librarian works in the library. Nurse. The nurse helps when you're sick. Classmate. This is my classmate. Short dialogue. Listen.
Good morning, class.
Students say, "Good morning, teacher."
How are you today?
Students say, "We're fine, thank you." Remember, we greet the teacher politely every morning. Another dialogue. Listen.
Who is he?
He's the librarian. He works in the library.
Oh, I like reading books.
Great! Librarian. A person who helps you find books. Short quiz. He is a teacher.
He is a janitor.
She is a nurse.
He is a student. And these are students.
Great job!
Teacher, student, principal, janitor, librarian, nurse.
Let's move to school subjects. At school, we learn many subjects. Let's say them together. Math. We learn numbers in math. English. We read and write in English. Science. We do experiments in science. History. We learn about the past in history. Art. We draw pictures in art. Music. We sing and play in music class. Short dialogue. Listen.
What's your favorite subject?
I love art. I can draw.
Cool. I like science.
Science is fun too.
Short quiz. Which subject do you see? Yes, it's art. Good. Which subject do you see? Math. Good. Which subject do you see? Science. Excellent. Now, let's learn verbs, actions you do at school. Read. I read my book. Write. I write new words. Study. I study for my test. Listen. I listen to the teacher. Answer. I answer the question. Raise your hand. Raise your hand to speak. Open your book to page 10. Sit down, please. Stand up, please. Short dialogue. Listen.
Raise your hand if you know the answer.
I know.
Good job. Please sit down.
Good. We listen, answer, read, and write. These are actions we do in class. Great job, everyone! You learned many new English words about school today. Remember to review them every day. Practice with your classmates, your teacher, or even by watching this video again. See you next time!